Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now in this video we'll see how we can pass variable between topics in Copilot Studio. So first of all let me try to make you understand the scenario. So I will simply create a topic, okay? I will create a topic. Let us assume I'm creating my first topic and here I am entering the username and here I'm basically entering the username and email ID. Okay, so assume we are doing a sports day event, something like that, or some kind of activity. So we need the username and email. Okay, this is our first topic, and let us say this as a registration topic. Okay, and then when the user will enter their username and email, so assume we have another topic named as topic 2. Okay, and where we want to leverage this username and email from our topic 1. Okay, so how we can leverage the username and password in our topic 2 with the help of topic 1? We are exactly going to see this scenario practically. Okay, so I hope you understand the scenario now. Now let's do it practically. So here I will create my first topic. Okay, so I will say this as my registration topic. Okay, let me give a similar kind of name, registration topic. Okay, and here I will ask a question to user. Simply please enter your name. Please enter your name. And here user can choose the entire string option. Okay, entire string option. Here we go. Okay, and I can store my username here. Username. Okay, and then similarly I can ask user one more question. Please enter your date. I selected something wrongly. Let me delete this and I will add it again. And let me ask a question again. Okay, this time I will say enter the email ID. Please enter email ID. And here I can choose the identity as where the out of the box entity available named as email. So I'm going to use the same. Okay, and I can click here variable, and here I can say this variable as email. All right, let me save this. Okay, now the only thing that you need to do is, first thing is that make sure you are enabling this particular option. Okay, track between topics. Second thing is go to variable. Okay, here click on this topic. You see we have created two topic variable named as email and username email. So we have two options: return values to original topic, receive values from other topic. Okay, so let me select this one. Okay, and you see like in our last few videos we have created a global variable, so that is also available here. So let me save this. Okay, and now when I will save this, now let me try to create another topic. So let me refresh this page. So if I will open my notepad, I've completed this activity named as registration, username and email, and then I need to leverage these details inside my topic 2. Okay, I'm into my topics. I'm waiting for it to get loaded. I'll go back. here I will add a topic. And assume the name would be, the name of this topic is get value from other topic, something like this. Okay, get value. Let me go, I will say get values. And here let me write the same phrase, get values. I'll click on this button. Okay, and what I will do, I'll click on this. Here I will go to topic management. I will go to another topic because I want to jump across my topics. And the first topic that was what was the first topic? It was with this name REG registration, something like this. Yeah, registration topic, REG topic. So I will search for REG topic. Here we go. Simply click here. Okay. And now what I will do, I will click on this button. I will send a message. I will display a message here. I'll say username is, and I will use this variable. So you see here I started getting these values. So I can get username here, and then email is, and here I can get email. So you can click here and let me click on email, and I'm going to save this. Now the beauty of this is currently I'm into my topic named as get value, and the main questions that I'm asking is inside this REG topic. Okay, but I can leverage my REG topic values from my get value topic. So let me test it out. So I will say here get values to start this. So I can say get values. Now it is saying that please enter your name. So here you see it jumped towards the second topic because I have enabled this, what we call track between topics. So I will enter here Sagar. Okay, then it will ask me what else. It will ask me email ID. So let me give random email ID contest.com. Okay, and then you see here finally it again jumped towards my get value topic and it displayed me this particular data here. Your username is Sagar, your email is sagar@contest.com. So let me go to Notepad. So what we did, we created two topics. In our first topic, we asked some questions to our user. The name was, I think registration topic. Okay. Then what we did, inside our, second topic, we use that option, go to topic option, and we selected this regular topic here. When we selected this, so the variables that we have used, username and email, right, that we can actually fetch inside this topic. Okay, then when we run this particular topic, okay, so we quickly jump towards topic number 1 from our topic 2 itself, and then we retrieved all the values and we were able to get values something like this. So this is how you can pass variables between your topics in your Copilot Studio. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching this video.